So in this little video, we're going to walk you through and show you how to go about pairing up the new MyAir version 10 wall sensors. Now these are compatible only with the new version 10 CB10 control boxes, the TSP 8-12 touch panels, and obviously the power supply that goes, the new power supply that goes with the new CB10. Now note, all these components are not interchangeable with previous models, CB9 and less. So just be very mindful of that. They've got a new wall sensor, and the pairing process is a little bit different. So let's go through. We go in the setup page, then we go into zones and sensors. We're going to do zone number 4 that I've already. Make sure you also name the wall sensor so you know where it actually goes. So you tap on that bar, we go across, we want to delete that name when it lets me. So we're going to go bed 4, and we save that. We'll go back into there. And you see I've already got one of them paired. Now we're going to pair this one. So we push the pair sensor button on the touch panel. Now we push and hold. We've got to pull out. The first thing we've got to do is pull out the cardboard. It's really tough to pull out. Then we pull that out. The battery holder there is there to try and stop the batteries from falling out because they're button batteries, and we've got to look after those who may want to try and swallow them. So we'll prevent that from happening. So we pulled out the little cardboard. Now we push and hold the pair sensor button on the wall sensor. You're going to see the flashing lights. Now we're into pairing mode. We just want to sit there and hold that until that pairs. So now it's paired, and that's now connected. So we're now happy. We've now got that one paired, so we can now move on to the next one. So that is the new pairing process. The key element is you need to push and hold until the screen changes for you. It takes a little bit longer than the previous versions, but just something to be mindful. Be a little more patient, and we can get there. Have any questions, feel free to give us a call on 1300 966 464, and more than happy to help you.